fix audio stuttering and scratching in Yuzu Emulator on Windows. Are you frustrated because your games sound choppy, scratchy, or keep lagging, ruining the gaming experience? This usually happens because of outdated audio drivers, incorrect Yuzu audio settings, or conflicts with Windows sound enhancements. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall drivers, tweak hidden files, or edit system settings, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this problem safely and quickly in just a few simple steps. First, we'll update your audio drivers to ensure compatibility, then adjust Yuzu audio settings for proper synchronization, and finally disable conflicting Windows sound enhancements to prevent stuttering and scratching. This method works on almost all Windows PCs running Yuzu Emulator, keeps your save files safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix audio stuttering and scratching in Yuzu, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and enjoy smooth, clean audio in your Yuzu games without interruptions.